So as for what we have done, we have logged in into the AWS console. I have already have the free tier account. You have to create it from yourself. We have created an instance and set up the AMI, Amazon Machine Image. It's like a virtual server. We have run the WordPress also. So let's see how to SSH using Putty. So what is Putty? Putty is a software which we have been using to get the SSH access to our server. So we have been using Putty on the Windows, and the other users will be having the Putty for the SSH access for the Mac machine and the Ubuntu and the Linux. There are different ways to do that. So you remember we have downloaded the PM file, so we will be using that PM file. So I've already installed Putty on my system. So where you can got the Putty, you can search for the Putty here, and you can come here, and for the Windows user we can come here and we can get our desired version of 32-bit or 62-bit here, Putty, MSI, Putty this. Okay, and you can install here. So when you have installed Putty, you will get the two things here. You can search here Putty. You will have a Puttygen which we will be using to convert the PM file to the PPK file, because the PM file have been using for the Linux system. It will work for the Linux system and it will work for the Mac system, and for us it will work for the PPK. So we have to convert our PM file to the PPK file. So what it will do, I will first convert my PM file to the PPK. So this is the Putty key generator. I will load it. I will come to my downloads. So let's see where it has been saved here. So let's go to our browser here. I will cancel it. I will Control J it. So I will get show in the folder. I will copy it and I will paste here. So I will be used from here. Let's copy this user. I am copying here. So all files, date modified, demo WordPress. Let's save this private key. And it will show, are you sure you want to save this key without the passphrase? Yes. And on the desktop, let's keep here only. I will show it, give it demo WordPress.ppk. Okay, so we will have here, we'll copy this path for the fast access. Okay, I will close this. Now what I will do, I will close this. I will come here, I will go to Putty, and this is the step, very important, please see carefully. So in the session, I will be copying my private or public IP. I will copy this, I will go here, I will name this session as a demo WordPress, and keep in mind first save it. So it's saved. Okay, let's try to connect. It will not connect. Okay, I will cancel it. Again go to Putty. I will load this. Keep in mind every time you have to load and any changes you have to click on this and save. We will come to here on the SSH. We will expand it. We will come to auth section. Here you can see browse. I can come here, and for this purpose I will be copying this. I will be inserting my PPK folder. Here is my PPK folder. So by default, all the SSH username on the Bitnami is the username Bitnami. So I will copy this. So if you come here on the SSH section, you have to insert the username again and again. So what I will do, I will come here, connection data. I will give it auto login username Bitnami. Okay, and I will come to this session. This is important. Whenever you are changing, you have to come click on the session, you have to click on this, and you have to save. Now I will open this terminal. So it will ask me, it will give me the SSH host key. Ignore this warning and click on yes. So it's getting authenticated. Great. You can see we have successfully logged in on the SSH panel. So the basic commands you can learn from the Linux panel. I will just go to the root. I will show you all the things. On the ls, I have been listing all the directories here. So where my WordPress is hosted. So let's see here. Let's search for it. So it has the bin, it has the home. So let's cd home, what it shows us. Let's see it. It will showing me Bitnami. I will go to Bitnami inside. I will ls it again. It's showing me apps, it's showing me Bitnami, it's showing me credentials, it's showing me htdocs and stuff. I will go to cd apps. I will again unleash the directories folder. It's showing me WordPress, it's showing me Bitnami, and it's showing me PHP. Let's go to WordPress and ls. Okay, I will go here on the cd htdocs. I will list here. So here you can see we have all the contents inside this. So you just have to follow this thing. So don't worry, we will not be editing anything from this SSH. This is used for the advanced purposes. We will be configuring the FTP also. So let's see how to get the PHP MyAdmin. So this is the tutorial, or this is the setting you can follow here. Okay, we will be coming here, we will be searching. So you don't have to worry about all this page. I will be showing you the directly on the shortcut. So let's close our Putty. Okay, I will come to the Putty. I will again open it. I will click in. I will load it. So I will come here. Okay, I will go to the auth section here. Okay, I will go to the tunnel section here. I will copy this port. I will get it in the port here. I will copy the destination. So it will not directly connect without this setting. I will add here. Okay, and I will come here, and again I will save here. Otherwise you don't have to. So let's see what it says. It says you can see your PHP MyAdmin here. I will copy it and I will try to run it here. Oops, it's not working. How? So there is a trick. You have to log in into the session of the SSH, then only you can, because it will authenticate first on this Putty. You are logged in or not, then only you can connect to FTP, you can connect to database, or you can connect to SSH. So let's load this. I will open this here. It's getting authenticated. Now let's check it out. Great, we have the thing. So by default the username will be root and the password will be the same which we have get from the system log. I will copy it. I will come here. So you can see we have successfully launched the PHP MyAdmin also here. So this is great. We have successfully configured the SSH. We have successfully configured the PHP MyAdmin, and we will now check how to configure the FTP and how to configure the FileZilla, how to use any file transfer protocol software to connect with all the files which we have installed. So let's download FileZilla for Windows. So what is FileZilla? FileZilla is a file transfer control protocol, from where it's like a file manager you see on the cPanel. So it will be used by us for the Windows machine. You can download it according to your OS also. It's a software where we can see all our files. FileZilla, I will enter it. I already have installed. I will just show you. You need to download the FileZilla client for all the platforms or for all the Windows. So I have FileZilla installed. I will open FileZilla here. So it's showing me the default screen. I will come here. I will give the name demo WordPress. I will get my public IP from here instance. I will copy it. I will come here. I will paste it for the purpose. I will give it a use of Bitnami. This is the setting, the most important. I will give to SFTP because it's a secure transfer protocol. I will copy my IP. Login type will not be normal or anything. It will be a key file. I will copy the user Bitnami here. I will browse it. I will come to my location of the ppk file. I will copy it and I will try to connect. Let's see what happens. Save password. Do not save password. Save password. Give it save password. Let's see it's get connected or not. So It's giving me the folder. Great. Here you can see we have all the things here. So let's go to the path here. So I will first go. It will greet you directly on the htdocs. You can click on the htdocs here. So it's like the old files of the Apache. We can come to the root here. I am come to the root here. So let's come here on the where. Let's come here. No, we have to come here on the settings. Let's search here. We have to come here on the home. We have to come here on Bitnami. Let's click on apps. Let's click on WordPress. Let's click on htdocs. Great. You have all the files here. You can see all the files here. So this is your path here. You can see I will just copy paste the path here so that you can refer this note on the video. So we have all the things here. So let's try to create any file here. What happens? So it's getting created. Okay, I will open it. View here. It's getting opened. So I will just write anything here. I will save it. Okay, it's getting uploaded here. Okay, so here we have successfully configured the FileZilla also. So we have successfully configured the SSH, we have successfully configured the PHP MyAdmin, and we have successfully seen how to access the FileZilla